And here we want to have a look at the image, right?
Yeah.
Let's find where the image is defined.
Oh, I can see. Yes.
Yeah. So with this web template, you will see this curly bracket.
Yeah. What is it?
Code. It's liquid code. It's
Oh, okay.
I know you know. It's liquid code. Basically, it's a server-side rendering template code, and you can use it to do some sort of
So very
projects.
powerful.
If else,
Yeah.
looping, those
Yeah.
logic, and what user gets with HTML is basically the end result of this.
Yeah, it's not like the client side JavaScript which we use. It renders on server, so logic is on the server.
Yeah, exactly. The main difference with to me for Liquid and JavaScript, one renders on the server side, the other one runs on the client side. Okay, let's have a look at the image URL here. We have two options. First one is image, and the image URL starts with a dot, and it's splitting this with a dot.
Okay, why it's so complicated? What does it tell you?
So to use this, and by the way, I learned all of this from Andrew. We'll put his name and picture somewhere on the screen.
So we'll invite Andrew one day maybe to talk.
Yeah, and
about something.
and he's a UI UX expert, and I'm learning so much from him. It's I really appreciate that. And let's have a look at this image URL split with dot, how we can use it. Let's try to put in something kind of doesn't make sense for now, and we can see what it does. So under home, let me try to put ABC dot.
Yeah, doesn't
it doesn't
make much sense.
It doesn't make much sense, right?
Yeah.
And what it does is when it's rendering, it's splitting this and put it into a class.
Oh, okay.
So with this option, you can basically use the class that's available in your front-end UI framework. And if your website has Bootstrap 5 enabled, and how you can check this is you can go view page source. If you have Bootstrap 5 content here, Bootstrap 5 content here, it means your website is Bootstrap 5 enabled.
So can you show the example of this dots?
Yeah, and one thing that we can use that's coming with Bootstrap 5 is this Font Awesome. And Font Awesome basically
Sounds awesome. Yeah.
Font Awesome basically offers us a lot of the front-end icons. And if I can come to this link, this is a link I use, fontawesome.com. It's giving you the V6 version. You can check what's available on your site. If it's not available, I think you can still put it on your site. But with Power Pages Bootstrap 5 now, you don't need to do anything. It comes with it.
Finally on.
And it shows me this is Font Awesome free 6.2.1. So for me, I'm okay to use V6. And when I come here, I see a lot of icons. For us, we do need to use free. The pro one would not work. If you want to configure it, I think you can. If we go with a free option, it gives me a lot of icons already. And these icons are awesome in a way because they are vector based. So it means it does not lose the resolution when
they resize nicely.
Yeah, they resize nicely, exactly. And you when you click on any one of those, you see a class there.
So then I record it in that place. Should I put the dot FA solid dot FA house to get this?
Yes, the end result is this, but if you the template does define it by splitting. By the way, this is unmodified template, so you can change it, but I don't think you should change this. The logic basically put a span this class that it's splitting.
It's very cool. I have a question. So would we have this? Would this header have a different code inside depending on the template, or every template will have this exactly liquid code in there?
The header template itself.
Is it the same or different across templates?
It's the same template, but you can have the logic to display different big set.
Yeah.
The template itself on the server side is the same. The end result could be different
based on the content.
Based on the content, yes, exactly. So here, let's go and put something. Oh, I'm on here.
Yeah, now we know what to put in there.
We know it's not this. We can go like that. Or you can get the class from the icon.
This is so cool. How did you done it? No, seriously, that's really cool. We need to put the alt text in as probably home or something.
Yeah. And this is for accessibility.
Yeah.
If the user has problem rendering logo, they can view that. And I'll show you something very cool.
It says house though, not home.
Yeah, it says we can use house. It's probably got a slightly difference there.
Yeah.
And there's a
Do you want to display image only, or you want to text an image? Let's just see how it looks with that.
if I let's see without without the tick. And let's go and sync the site.
So I wanted to check because the sync button, different people click it on this at different time. So when do we actually need to click sync? Do we need to click every time when we change something in the design studio, or when do we click the sync?
That's a very good question. I think I click it. It's to me, it becomes like a habit. Maybe I click it sometimes unnecessarily, but basically, if I make any code changes, I want to click sync button.
Because I think we need to have another session on the sync button specifically.
Yeah.
But because I think I click it only then I make a change at the back in the design studio, or not in design studio, in the Power Pages management app. Or yeah, when I change, not from the design studio, but yeah, I think we need to,
Let's have
an interesting topic about the whole design studio and management app.
Yeah, see now there's a little.
Oh, cool! This is your
like
house.
this.
We can put a cat in there.
We can
Do
put
they
a
have
cat.
a cat in there? Let's just do cat.